program to find the floor division. Floor division. Floor division.
Floor.
Yes, floor division.
Floor division. Like, what do you mean by floor division?
Okay. So basically, you have to write all the divisions like forward slash, double forward
Okay.
slash, and percentage. Okay, percentage I'll let you know later on. But since you used one slash, that's why I want you to print both ways. So you will see the difference. What is the difference between a simple this thing and the other one? Input. We'll take input, the
Okay, you'll take
variable.
input. Okay. Okay. Next.
Okay, now you'll write, wait. Now you'll write floor division equal to, floor division equal to X 2 times forward slash, yeah, X 2 times forward slash Y. And you'll print that. And second, you'll do just simple division, that is X slash Y. Second, you'll do simple division. No, variable division equal to. No, remove line number 11. Yeah, okay, can put it here. Division equal to X slash Y. And print division. So basically, this is the basic difference between the two. Like sometimes, like since you did that, that's why I've told you the basic difference between the two. Any number you can put? Now, can you see the difference between the two?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So basically,
value.
Exactly. So basically, when you are doing a simple division, it will treat it as a mathematics like 4.0 and so on, right?
Yes.
But here, when it is floor division, only the value. So that's a very thin line of difference if you see. But yes, like since you were doing two things together, so I wanted you to differentiate, mark a difference between the two. That's why I asked you to do this particular program.
Got it.
Correct? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I think we'll stop here.